Hey guys, today we are at Greenwood Furnace State Park and just going for a little hike. I always like to hike with some kind of GPS. Usually I have my watch, which I have on today, but I also usually like to use this little Garmin. It's an E-Trek Touch, and it what I like about it is it uses AA batteries, so you can carry a few pairs of backups and it'll last for as long as I need it to. Unfortunately, this winter I lost the normal case I use for it, so I always keep a case on it since it tends to get dropped or abused when I'm out hiking. And I lost it somewhere hiking up in the winter. I backtracked for like a whole day trying to find that thing. I couldn't find the case anywhere, so wherever it fell off, if you see it in Rothrock State Forest somewhere, it's probably mine, so reach out. But I had to get this bright blue one as a replacement, which I don't like quite as much, but I guess it's probably easier to spot if you do drop it, unlike the black one that I lost. So I didn't plan to make a video today, which is why I'm on my phone right now, and I didn't bring like my actual camera. My last video was that New Year's resolution one. I was gonna make more videos this year, so starting to get nice out, I better actually do it. I believe this is called the Dogtown Trail, and I have no idea why, but this whole area is pretty interesting. Like, they have a long history where I guess this whole area had a huge furnace which was used for like iron production, and they would cut down all the wood here to fuel the furnace all the time. That's long gone, but somehow all that land got turned into state park, so that's pretty cool. There's a lot of old buildings though that are like from the community that used to live here, I guess. There's an old church, part of the state park, and you can actually still see the furnace. I can't get over how nice it is. It's like last week was record high temperatures. It was in the 80s, and I don't know what it is today, but it's very nice. Ooh, I got a bug. But I keep a journal, and I saw last year on this day it was snowing, so lucky to be out here in shorts and a beautiful day. We needed a break to sniff whatever is on this tree. I'm always amazed by these vines, and I have this like question in my head for a long time, like how do they climb up these trees and just like dangle from these high branches? Now this one, obviously this tree fell down, but like, look how big this thing is, and they always seem like they're growing like straight down from these massive trees. Like, you can't really tell probably on the video, but there's like a bunch of vines all the way up these tall trees over here. And like, how do they get up there? I don't think it doesn't look like they were close to the trunk and just kind of worked their way up. But I'm sure that's how it had to happen. But it just doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me, because they're just, ow! Ooh. Me picking these out of my arm, ouch. But yeah, it doesn't, I mean, I don't know. It's just kind of an interesting thing to see these massive vines just kind of coming from nowhere, it seems. All right, here's what I'm talking about. This vine here, right? Okay. It goes up all the way over there, and then that's it going straight up to this really high tree up there. How do you get up there? Good job. Don't drink that. He saw a bee. He wants to try to bite it. Uh-oh, it's back. Toby. Do you see the bee? Don't go after it. This would go a lot faster if I had 2 free hands, but it just drips permanently, I guess, which that works. Thirsty? Tubby, you like going on adventures? I got some nice welts forming where those briars got me. Jeez. Ready to keep walking? Alright, let's go. Cool little pavilion. Oh, found a tick. Hold on, bud. Good. I hate these things. This is the Tick Slayer 2000, which is what I found to be the best tool for just smashing ticks. Make sure they're dead. So I never just let them, I never just like toss them in the grass or something. They need to be mashed first. So I will not put that part on video because, for one thing, it takes 2 hands, and for all I know, it'll be some kind of strike on YouTube. So. Toby, you don't need to drink that. These are cool. There's a bunch of these around PA. There's another place that has one that's like, they have the building still up. I'm sure it's like a reproduction, but this is, the stone part's just like one piece of like what these used to be. I guess they just got super hot so they could melt the iron, and you can still see pieces of the iron like right built into this thing. Pretty cool. Built in 1860, reconstructed in 1935. Would be kind of neat to come over here on a Sunday maybe to check it out. So this, right by the church here, is, I believe, where the standing stone trail cuts through here. So I've hiked on parts of that. I think this kind of goes back towards where I parked. Ready to go back to the truck? Well guys, we are back to the truck, and I got Toby back in his seatbelt, and he drank a ton of water, and we are heading home. So thanks for joining, and catch you next time.